air conditioner advanced technology. Hisense was the first to enter inverter air conditioner field in China, committed 20 years to develop and promote it. Being a pioneer of Chinese AC industry, Hisense has accumulated advanced technology, experience, and consumer trust over the years. Inverter air conditioner. Weak magnetic control technology increases cooling rate by 25%. You can enjoy cool and comfort anywhere in the room with long-distance airflow. Low-frequency torque compensate technology makes room temperature more stable. Based on self-adaptive refrigerated technology, cooling stably in 61 degrees Celsius. Heating in negative 25 degrees Celsius is supported by preheating and electric chassis technology. It can also adapt to voltage fluctuation. Energy saving. Gain a significant boost in energy saving that reduced annual power consumption by 30%. Super Hisense fan. Hisense independently researched and developed fan so that the AC capacity significantly improved in the industry-leading level. Low noise. Based on the principle of airflow and acoustic, used CFD simulation software, we are able to optimize the structure of inner air duct to reduce noise. Smart Wi-Fi control. Conveniently control your AC anywhere with your mobile phone and Wi-Fi connection. Turn on the AC on the way home, then you can enjoy the cool. Our AC app is available for iOS and Android phone. Moreover, automatically detect faults and display the health status of the AC. Hisense.